Welcome back. G-Mains Examinations 2021. And here is an analysis on the Phase 4 Shift 1 examination conducted on August 27. The analysis includes difficulty level of the question paper, percentile versus marks, and expected cutoffs. Here is a little disclaimer for you all. The analysis is purely based on the students' responses and the experts' opinion on the question paper. Difficulty level of the question paper. As far as mathematics, the question paper is said to be lengthy. Though it is not difficult, it is said to be lengthy and a few questions are said to be tricky. The total number of easy questions are 8, moderate questions are 10 in number, and difficult questions are 12. On the other hand, the physics questions are said to be easy to moderate. Here the number of easy questions are 12, moderate questions are 9, and difficult questions are 9 in number. With its usual best, chemistry is said to be quite easy and most of the questions came from NCERT books. The total number of easy questions here are 15, moderate questions are 6 in number, and difficult questions are 9. Let's move on to the category-wise percentile and marks analysis. The expected cutoff percentile for general category students should be between 88 and 91, and the marks to be scored by him should be between 91 and 94. For an EWS category student, he needs the percentile between 83 and 85 while the marks ranging between 68 and 73. And the same is the case with the OBC category student. He should get the percentile between 83 and 85 and the marks between 68 and 73. An SC category student should get the percentile between 61 and 65 for which he needs to score the marks range between 52 and 57. An ST category student should score the marks between 45 and 50 for getting the percentile between 40 and 44. Marks versus percentile analysis. Here we go. If a student seeks to get the percentile between 99.90 and 99.99, he needs to score the marks range between 220 and 290. A student who gets the percentile between 97 and 99 should score the marks between 140 and 220. And the student who scores the marks between 100 and 140 can get the percentile between 95 and 97. If you score the percentile between 93 and 95, you need to score the marks between 85 and 100. And if you want to get the percentile between 90 and 93, you need to score the marks between 75 and 85. And for the percentile between 86 and 90, one needs to score the marks between 65 and 75. And for the percentile between 80 and 85, one needs to score the marks between 45 and 65. This is all about the brief analysis on Shift 1 examination conducted on August 27. And dear students, let me remind you again, this analysis is purely based on the students' responses and the experts' views on the question paper. The actual result may vary with the statistics shown here. That's all about this session, and stay glued to this channel for the analysis on upcoming G-Mains